In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add funny Nigeria sound effect to your videos, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you see me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Right, so I've made a video how to get this funny sound effect, right? And I've been seeing so many comments of people asking how to use the sound effect, in as much as in the video I still explain it. But so I decided to make a separate video where I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this. So I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step on how to use this sound effect in the other side of the screen. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use this funny video effects, right? So um let's use InShot first. So once you open your InShot, then you click on video, then import your project. Let's assume this is my project, right? So let me change the ratio. Let it will be okay. So for instance, as this video is playing, then this is where I need the laughter or any of them to sound. So all I need to do is for me to just come and click on this audio right here. Once I tap on this audio, then I tap on music, this music right here. Then what I'm gonna do is that, in the other video I made how to get those sound, right? I downloaded from TikTok, right? So it will be in a video form. So what I will do is that I'm going to click on this extract audio from video, then select this video now, which is the laughter. Then once you select it, then you click OK. You see this tick right here, tap on it, then you can see that video has been converted to audio. You can see it right here. Okay, so let me play it so that you guys get to see. I think there is a sound in this video, kind of music, so I'll first need to reduce the volume. Okay, so let me play. So if you feel like the laughter is too much, right, and like you just want it in a particular place, and you don't want it too much, all you just need to do is for you to play to know the parts you want, right, and cut off the part you don't want, right? Like this place now, let me assume this is where I want it to start. I'll just select the clip. I'll just select the audio, then click on this place right here, and come right here and delete the other part which I don't want. If you don't want another part this side, you just need to come close to that part, then delete it off and split it and delete it off. Then you will have the part you want, right, which is this. So let's play again. So guys, this is exactly how to import this, and how to split it and delete and put the part you want. So let's assume, right, that this particular laughter, you want it in another places, right? So all you need to do is for you to come right here and click on this duplicate right here, or either click on copy. They are the same thing. When you click on duplicate, right? So when you click on copy, it duplicates it still. So all you just need to do is for you to double tap the one you want to shift, and shift it to the place you want it to be. If it's here you want it, then you place it. Then let's play. So if you still want it another place, you can just click on duplicate or copy, then double press it and shift it to the place you want it. All right, so this is exactly how to use it in form of audio. So let me show you guys how to use this sound effect in form of video, because you see some skit makers, mostly all these people that do or question and answer. You see them, they also use these sounds in form of video. So what you need to do is that, let me say for instance, you play this video, reach here, and here is where you want to use the sound effect, right? So all you need to do is for you to select the clip and click on split. Once you click on split, then what you're going to do is for you to click on this red cross right here, then click on video, and go and import the sound effects you want, right? So right now you are going to see something, right? So once you import the sound effect though, you need to first of all crop. You see this TikTok logo, you just crop it off. Some of them have it, you know so then you need to also crop this thing, the sound effect, crop off that right up. If the one you downloaded have right up that you don't need, you need to crop it off. You also need to zoom it if in case you want to zoom it in, to balance well. All right, so see what is going to happen as this video play and reach that place. You will see.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh, even if I have to force it.
So I know you have seen this in several videos, right? So like all those question and answer, maybe they ask somebody says something, you see this funny effect will just come in and disappear again. So this is exactly how they do it. You can also if you want to use another one, let me say for instance you want to use another one, you can just come and split this the same place you want to use it, just split it and come and import another one. All right, I don't know if I have another one right here. Okay, let me import this. Then you can see, then we just come because I downloaded from TikTok, and I would like to remove this TikTok this thing. Then click OK right here, and it's good to crop or zoom in, so that it will balance in. Then just let me take it back and play it.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
So that's it. Sometimes it's good to don't allow the thing to be too this thing to be too long, and just trim it to be short, because when it's too long it will be boring. Be using it when it's like short, and make sure it makes sense. That's the most important thing. So let's play back again.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
So guys, this is exactly how to use this funny sound effect. So in this video I taught you guys how to use it in form of audio and also in form of video, right? So this same step is what the same thing you are going to do if you are using CapCut. CapCut also has extract video, which you can use to extract the audio from the video, understand, just the same way we did right here. And also you can also import video like this the same way in CapCut, very easy. But if you guys want me to teach you guys the way how to do it on CapCut, if you don't understand it this way, just tell me in the comment section and I'll make video on that, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.